The water from the river is dirty.
The water from the bottle is clean.
May I?
We are changing the wheel.
Yes. We are changing the wheel. I have gloves. My hands are clean. Lucas, show your hands.
My hands are dirty.
Show your hands. Clean.
Dirty. The ice is cold. Brrr. The water is hot. Ah, ouch. Cold. Brrr. Hot. Ouch.
Blue color, cold water. I can drink cold water.
Red color, hot water. I can wash my hands.
We are climbing a rock. I am climbing a hard way.
I am climbing an easy way. This is an easy way.
This is a hard way.
I have two examples.
Easy.
Yes. This example is easy. This example is hard. Easy.
Hard.
This fridge is empty.
There is nothing in the fridge.
Empty.
This is a fridge.
This fridge is full.
This basket is empty. This basket is full.
The tank is empty. The tank is full now. Ah, you see? The tank is full now. This baguette is light.
This baguette is dark.
Light?
Dark. Jeans. I like light blue.
I like dark blue.
Light. Dark.
This is a fence. This fence is low. Ouch! Ouch! This fence is high.
Yes. High.
This is a big TV. High price.
And this is a small TV. Low price.
High price.
Low price.
This bike is new.
This bike is old.
A new bike.
An old bike.
These are my old shoes. I need new shoes.
These are new shoes. Lucas, try these. Chicken shoes.
Old shoes. New shoes. This sausage is short.
This sausage is long.
Short.
Long.
Lucas, give me a rope.
I have 2 ropes.
This rope is short.
That's right. This rope is long. Asta, sit down. Sit. We are making a race. This is Asta. It's a dog.
This is Evgen. It's a tortoise.
a race. Are you ready?
Ready.
Go!
Come on, come on,
Asta.
come on,
Asta.
come on. Asta is fast. Evgen is slow. Come on, Evgen. Come on. We are making the race.
The car is fast.
No, no.
Woohoo! The car is fast.
The motorbike is slow. A small wheel.
A big wheel.
Small.
Big.
This is a big letter. And this is a small letter.
Big letter, small letter.
Imagine and repeat.
Dirty.
Clean.
Cold.
Hot.
Hard.
Easy.
Empty.
Full.
Light.
Dark.
Low.
High.
New.
Old.
Short.
Long.
Fast.
Slow.
Small.
Big. Okay, okay, okay.